Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we shall see question number 4. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles. Acute angles I have already told. Acute angles means all these trigonometry values they lie within the first quadrant. Therefore we ignore the negative sign in case if we have to square the terms, or if you are squaring both sides and if you are getting plus or minus answer, then we ignore the negative term and just proceed with the positive term. Okay, for which the expressions are defined as cos a plus cos a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a is equal to 2 secant a. That if we solve the left hand side, this is the left hand side, then we can directly come to the right hand side. Okay, because right hand side is already simplified. So basically we simplify the complex terms. Okay, so first let's take LCM of this. Let's take LCM. We take LCM 1 plus sin a into cos a will be divided by cos square a plus 1 plus sin a the whole square. Now if you see, this is a plus b the whole square, that equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore in the next step you will write cos square a plus 1 square plus sin square a plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now you know this identity, cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Therefore these two will become 1. So the next step will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This implies 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. You take 2 common, then we'll have 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a will get cancelled. What will remain is 2 divided by cos a. So cos a is equal to 1 by secant a. Therefore this can be written as 2 times of secant a. That is the answer, which is also the right hand side. Hope you understood the working of this problem. Now see you again in the next video. Thank you.